everyone, so here's Aspiration app. It's one of the top finance apps. So to install it on iPhone, just tap Get, and then you will be able to install it. So just use Touch ID or Face ID, and so as you can see, it's in the top charts and 122 megabyte size. And it's basically a banking app. And why it went so up in the top charts? Because I think it offers loans. So I think there was an opportunity to get like a $7,000 loan on Aspiration app. And just by installing, creating an account and filling some requirements. Not sure that this offer is still open, but you should definitely try to install this app and follow the opportunities. Try to install the account and see what happens. So here is the app. You can see all the features here. Then you can just tap to create an account. And let's just try to do that. And agree to terms and conditions. However, I think maybe it's only available in US or something. You can see all the so let's just check it out in support center. I think it's only if you're in US it will allow you to create an account. So you can always contact their support here, but it's just weird that it doesn't go through. Okay, let's try to reload the app. I just swipe up and then I will just reload in case you have the same issue. And then sign up now. Nope, doesn't work for some reason. So probably the issue is that it's only works from territory of United States.